Hey everyone, in this video we are going to make our site go live. So as of right now, if you type in your web address, it's just going to take you to a place where you have to put in your password. So customers can't actually go and shop on your store. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to select a plan, and this is going to make our site go live. So here is the three options. Depending on what you're doing. As you can see, the percentage rates go down as you go to a higher plan. So of course everything else goes up as well. So like staff accounts, you get more. You get the plan is much better if you go with an expensive one, but I'm gonna just choose this $29 a month plan just because it's cheaper. So we're gonna choose this plan. We're going to go $29 US every 30 days, and we are going to start our plan. So it's only going to bill us when August 14th, so 14 days after our trial. So after our trial starts. So now our store should be live. So if we go to our online store, this should be working now. So if we type in our address up here, so grandmaliving.com, it should take us right to what our store looks like right now. So that is that for making your page go live, and I will see you in the next video.